Hey, it's Maya Dasher, your San Antonio Realtor, specializing in new construction and military relocations. Today, I am standing directly behind a beautiful completed home of one of my veteran clients that relocated from Virginia. We're going to go tour this home, and I'm going to point out a few things that I recommend to my buyers even when buying new construction. Stay tuned. So my clients did get a home on a nice corner lot, as you can see. There is a nice 8-foot door upon entry. This is a study of the home, but it does have a closet. So if you want to convert it into a bedroom, all you would have to do is just get a barn door or a frame door, put it right there, and you'll have your 5th bedroom in this home. So as you have may notice that there's blue tape throughout the house, as we're going through the final stages, you'll see things like the paint issues that are very minor. The builder has addressed all of these, which is why we annotated with blue tape. All appliances were included with this home, to include washer and dryer and blinds. So the first floor does have a half bathroom. This home is an open concept with a lot of natural light that flows through. So even though this home was a new construction home, I did recommend that my clients get a third-party inspector to come and give the inspection for the home, which is this report that you see on the island. So with the builder, we just got finished addressing some of the deficiencies that the inspector found. The builder made sure that all of those were corrected before my clients moved in. This home does come with the built-in appliances as well, with a nice gas range. The appliances are by LG. As you can see, just minor paint touches that need to be done that are annotated by that blue tape. bedroom has a walk-in closet with a linen closet. Touches, you can probably see the discoloration in some of the paint, so all of that will be addressed by the builder. If you have any questions about this home, this builder, the location, we're about 30 minutes from downtown San Antonio. If you have any questions at all, reach out to me. My contact details will be in the description below. Thank you.